Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO A80 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, in the first step, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and choose Settings. Now we tap on our password, Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our smartphone remember. We can click on it, but to manage it we need create our lock screen to our smartphone. I did it fast. Do it fast. And right now we must enter our lock screen to get connected to these passwords, to this website. And after we press this first icon, we can copy our email and copy our passwords, or after we press this ice icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone by this icon, or edit all by tap on edit and write something in your username's note on passwords. After you change something, remember to press save. You can also delete all our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.